Dr. Pooja, my slip disc condition is getting much better. I'm doing all the exercises that you have told me to do. And during the day, I don't find any issues. I'm comfortably walking around. But I still have a problem. You see, when I get up early in the morning, my back is actually kind of stiff and painful. Why is that?
I get it. It's the way you are sleeping or the mattress which is not good. Okay. So either we need to change the mattress and pillow, or we need to change the way you are sleeping. Because see, when we sleep, we are in that same posture for 4 to 5 hours, and again we change maybe. But for long period of time, our body is in that same posture, which may stretch your spine in a particular way. So maybe I need to tell you how to sleep or which position is best for you to sleep with a back pain. I would also tell you many other things. तो एक तरीके से सोना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, क्योंकि आप उस पोजीशन में इतने देर तक रहते हैं कि आपका बॉडी स्टिफ हो जाता है. तो इसीलिए हमें तकिए का इस्तेमाल या फिर टॉवल का इस्तेमाल इसलिए करना चाहिए जिससे कि हमारा पूरा बॉडी टर्न ना हो और हमारी स्पाइन जितना हो सके न्यूट्रल में रहे, क्योंकि हमारा स्पाइन इज़ डिज़ाइन टू बी इन न्यूट्रल, एक सीधे लकीर की तरह. पर अगर हम उल्टा पुल्टा सोते हैं तो वो भी एक कैसे टॉवल ट्विस्ट होता है वैसे ही स्पाइन भी ट्विस्ट हो जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू स्लीप प्रॉपर्ली. By the way, I hope you guys are watching आरोग्या फिजियो टिप्स वीडियोस और आप उसको रेगुलरली देख रहे हैं. और अगर देख रहे हैं और आपका कोई फीडबैक है तो प्लीज़ हमें दीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. तो कल्याणी, आप ऐसे ही सोते हैं? डू यू लाई डाउन लाइक दिस ओनली?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Kalyani, this is not a good position for back because your back and hamstring are constantly stretched. Okay. So there is a slight sag here. Can you feel that?
Yes.
Okay. For that, we can roll a towel and keep it like this. Can you just keep your back up? Yes. Yes. And now, do you feel little better?
Yeah, actually I feel better.
हाँ.
So I can lie down like this with the help of a towel the entire night?
Entire night.
Okay.
Yes. If you are sleeping in one position.
Okay.
Even if you turn around, still this is not going to go anywhere because it's a towel. It's not going to roll. There is actually a Mackenzie roll, sleeping roll which can be inserted there. That's available in Amazon or somewhere. But yes, if you don't want to use that, towel is the best option. Another thing is this position is very, very bad for the knee because hamstring is constantly stretched, especially patient who have arthritis and all. It is definitely a no position. Okay. तो अगर आपको arthritis है तो आप क्या करें कि एक पिल्लो को अपने नी के नीचे डाल दें. और अगर नहीं भी है और आपको यही पोजीशन सोने के लिए सबसे अच्छे लगता है तो बेस्ट इज टू कीप अ पिलो डाउन.
Okay.
So your knee is completely relaxed. Now, patient जिनको बैक पेन होता है और उनको भी सेम पोजीशन में सोना है, so what they can do is, so there is something called wedge which comes. It's a recliner kind of thing. So it's a recliner and then a flat thing which comes in I mean Amazon and Flipkart. So sleeping wedge. If that is available, you can use that. If that is not available, again you can do what? Put your knee up and put the pillows.
So high, is it?
Yes. And bring it like this. No, it should be even higher.
Even
okay?
high.
Can you give me that pillow? And now sleep.
Okay, this is much more comfortable.
Yes. So your back will be completely
Yes,
relaxed.
Okay.
So your knee has to be almost at 90 degree, and you can see like a wedge it is a reclining position. So if you have back pain which persists for a long period of time and you want to sleep in this position, आपको सीधे ही लेटना है, आप कोई और पोजीशन में सो नहीं सकते हैं, तो आप 3-4 तकिया रखिए.
Okay.
तो उससे बैक पूरा रिलैक्स हो जाएगा. और एक रोल रखिए बैक के नीचे, तो वो. पर अगर somebody is there who is like snoring or somebody who sleep and they feel breathless, okay, in that case I would suggest this position is completely no. So there are 3 conditions in which supine position I don't suggest. One is sleep apnea, that means you have difficulty in breathing while you sleep. The second is snoring because you're too loud in supine. And the third is if you have arthritis.
Okay.
So these 3 conditions I don't suggest sleeping in this position. You can even sleep with hands up also. So you're
Like this, is it?
no 90-degree bend. 90-degree bend? Yes.
Okay.
That's that way also.
Okay.
You can sleep or you can keep the hands down at neutral position, whatever.
Okay.
But if you are sleeping in this position, then this is the
Arrangement
best
is best.
arrangement.
So what if, I start sleeping straight
हाँ.
and then after some time I want to turn to either of the sides?
तो मैं ये काम करती हूँ कल्याणी कि आपको ना हर एक पोजीशन में कैसे सोना है ये बताती हूँ.
Okay.
तो देन आपको पता होगा कि हर एक पोजीशन में कैसे सो सकते हैं. कल्याणी, सो नाउ यू आर स्लीपिंग ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. आप अपने लेफ्ट साइड पे सोई हुई हैं. हमने ये टावल रखा था तो यहाँ पे जो साइड में जो कर्वेचर होता है वो सपोर्टेड रहता है इस टावल की वजह से. If you are not comfortable with towel, in the side you can definitely remove it, okay? But if you are comfortable with towel, let the towel be there, okay? So it depends upon your comfort कि आपको towel रखना है कि नहीं रखना है. Now there is very important point. So let's see, this is a spine, okay? और आप left side पे सोए हुए हो तो आप basically ऐसे सोए हुए हो, हाँ? Now what happens is if you see your 2 hips, okay? So there is a distance between them, but when you are bringing it together, it's coming closer. Okay, it's not there in the original position. So we need to maintain the hip distance which is originally there, because as you bring your hip down slightly, your spine completely rotates and the spine is not supported properly. और spine को neutral में होना चाहिए. तो इसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको पिलो रखना है. तो आप 2 पिलो रख लीजिए. अभी दोनों पैर को उठाइए और
दोनों पैर, राइट?
नहीं, मतलब एक पैर को उठाइए और एक पैर को उसके ऊपर रख दीजिए. नाउ डू यू फील मच बेटर?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
That's because your hip distance is maintained.
Okay.
आपका हिप फॉरवर्ड नहीं आ रहा
Compress नहीं
है.
है.
हाँ, कंप्रेस नहीं है. अब नेक्स्ट क्या है कि बिकॉज आपका शोल्डर डिस्टेंस भी सेम होना चाहिए. सो जितना हिप डिस्टेंस अपार्ट है उतना शोल्डर डिस्टेंस भी. सो इफ यू आर स्लीपिंग लाइक हाउ यू आर स्लीपिंग देन इट इज फाइन. बट इफ यू आर ब्रिंगिंग योर हैंड फॉरवर्ड तो आप हाथ में भी ये सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. हाथ आगे लाइए. हाँ, यस. एंड दिस इज द
This is so comfortable.
यस. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पोजीशन टू स्लीप. आप प्रोन नहीं लेटेंगे, आप उल्टा नहीं लेटेंगे, आप सीधे लेटे रहेंगे. अगर आपको एसिड रिफ्लेक्स है, बिकॉज आपका एब्डोमेन का पोजीशन इतना सही है कि आप इस पोजीशन में सोएंगे तो खाना भी अच्छे से डाइजेस्ट होगा और एसिड रिफ्लेक्स कम हो जाएगा. ओके, इफ यू आर फीलिंग कॉन्स्टिपेटेड, अगेन स्लीपिंग ऑन लेफ्ट साइड इज वेरी वेरी गुड. अगर आप प्रेग्नेंट हैं तो प्रेग्नेंट वीमेन को भी बोलते हैं कि दे शुड स्लीप ऑन देयर लेफ्ट साइड. तो इट्स अ वेरी 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 गुड पोजीशन टू स्लीप. हाँ, देर आर पीपल हु स्लीप विथ one leg straight and then one leg like this. Okay, in that case, for example, you want to keep your one leg straight and one leg bent, then you need to slightly more elevate it, so that again, because it comes little forward. So to maintain that you need to one more pillow here. Okay, so you are keeping 2 pillows. That is not correct.
Okay.
Now what happens is, for example, ये हमारा neck है, okay, and then we keep one pillow, it's on neutral, okay, but if we keep 2 pillow, it
Little more
elevates,
elevates,
okay.
okay.
So for example, यहाँ पे हमने तकिया रखा,
हाँ.
यहाँ पे हम ऐसे सोए तो हमारा neck neutrally supported है. But अगर हमने तकिया ज़्यादा रखा तो ये ऐसे हो जाएगा, right?
Yeah.
It will elevate, which is not good for our spine. So हमें actually we can use memory foam pillow. Memory foam pillow क्या होता है? It takes the shape of your neck. Okay. So then your neck is completely supported. Another pillow which you can use is cervical pillow. Cervical pillow has a road roller kind of thing. So it's can I have this pillow? So cervical pillow is nothing but a pillow like this with something like this, okay, and this portion come here. So this portion come here and it supports the neck curvature
properly.
and then you can sleep here. But there are lot of people who feel uncomfortable with a cervical pillow. In that case, memory foam pillow is very good.
Okay.
And memory foam pillow is available, I think, in all the brands. I think Wakefit is one brand which I use personally, but matlab you can use any brand.
Okay, so what is actually wrong with these kind of pillows?
So, for example, this pillow can't take the shape, can't support my. So, for example, see my hand, and if I sleep here, it is sagging down completely. Can you see? My wrist is getting stretched, and that's how your neck gets stretched.
Okay.
But if my hand, for example, now I give a support from my hand, and see, now my wrist is neutral.
Okay.
So this is what memory foam does. It retains the neutral position. What is very important is हमें अपनी neutral position, हमारा spine neutral position में होना चाहिए. तो ये हमें help करता है neutral position में रहने के लिए. तो हमें एक ही pillow use करना चाहिए preferably, और एक pillow memory foam pillow या cervical pillow use करें.
Okay.
Pillow को every year change करें या 2 years में चेंज करें, जिससे कि उनका जो फोम है जो ओल्ड हो गया है एंड इट कांट बी लाइक अ फ्रेश फोम, तो आप डिस्कार्ड कर दीजिए और उसके बाद नया पिलो लाइए. तो पिलो यू कैन यू कैन रोटेट. हाँ, मैट्रेस तो आई थिंक इफ यू बाय अ मेमोरी फोम मैट्रेस, वो आपका शायद 15 साल तक, 10-15 साल तक चलता है. तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन कंपनीज एंड ऑल दैट, तो आप किसी भी कंपनी से खरीद सकते हैं. तो try investing on your mattress and your pillow. बहुत important है.
Sure. Is it okay if I keep my hands like this and sleep?
This hand is okay, though I can't say completely okay because you can see the shoulder is coming slightly forward. है ना? तो हम shoulder को अगर support कर ले, तो this hand should be okay. So now do you feel the shoulder is not coming forward? है ना? तो इस पोजीशन में आप ऐसे सो सकते हैं. अभी आप राइट साइड सोए हुए हैं और आपने ये शोल्डर हाथ यहाँ पे रखा है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स यू वुड हैव हर्ड फ्रोजन शोल्डर. मेरे पास एक पेशेंट आया था, सो ही यूज्ड टू टेल दैट ही एक्सटेंड हिज हैंड एंड हिज वाइफ स्लीप्स इन हिज हैंड, सो ही हैज गॉट वेरी बैड फ्रोजन शोल्डर. सो आई टोल्ड हिम नॉट टू डू दैट. So when you put your head or your wife's head or your husband's head on your hand and sleep, what happens? The circulation towards the shoulder is affected. So this is completely no position and you should not do that. And if you feel like holding on to something, then pillow. Because pillow does not have weight and it can be completely put. So pillow is the best medium to use as many pillows as possible. But make sure that your hand is not on your head or you are not sleeping even like this, anyways, because you are obstructing. So when I put a weight here, after certain period of time, Kalyani, आपको लगने नहीं लगेगा कि वहाँ पे circulation कम हो गया है and you're feeling the weight. It's the same thing with shoulder. But आप sleep में होंगे तो you will not realize. Over a period of time, there are chances you may develop a sore shoulder. So, but the reason will be like this. Okay. Now you are sleeping on the right side. Okay. So right side sleeping also is the same like how left side is. You have to put pillow down your knee. You have to put pillow on your hand. But it is a very, very bad position for anybody who has has stomach issues. So this is not a good position if you have stomach issues because digestion does not happen properly in this position. तो अगर आपको गैस होता है या कब्ज होता है या
Constipation.
हाँ, constipation is कब्ज एंड या फिर anything related to stomach, acid reflux होता है, तो इस पोजीशन में ना ही सोए तो अच्छा है. बट अगर आपको ये सब नहीं है एंड यू ऑल फाइन, योर हार्ट्स आर ओके, लंग्स आर ओके, दिस पोजीशन, दिस इज बोथ द साइड्स आर वेरी गुड फॉर स्नोरिंग पेशेंट. तो अगर आप स्नोर करते हैं तो सीधा मत सोइए, आप साइड में सोइए. सो वो साइड पोजीशन इज वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर patients who have snoring issue or sleep apnea. This position will be much more comfortable. Otherwise what happens is because of sleep apnea they use 4-5 pillows and then they sleep like this, which is again very very bad for your neck. Yes. Anything else you want?
Yeah, sometimes in my sleep I come to this curling position. Okay, I like to sleep like this.
Now see you yourself see that how your spine is. Your spine is completely curled, and so your spine is like this and it is completely curled. So imagine to be in so much of stress throughout the night. So it is definitely a no position. So you have to extend your leg slightly, may not be completely, but extend your leg and again put pillow यहाँ पे, so that your again things are in neutral, and put pillow till ankle so that the position is maintained till ankle. Okay, and then you can put pillow here also. So you extend your hand and put your hand here. Actually एक और pillow रख सकते हैं. Yes. So I know I am telling you to invest in lot of pillows. One person may need so many pillows, but this is a very good condition. And क्या होगा ना, आप अगर इस पोजीशन में सोएंगे तो आप रोटेट भी नहीं होंगे. Even if you want to rotate, this pillow will obstruct you of not rotating, और आपका spine एकदम neutral में होगा. तो I think you should use lot of pillows, or everybody should invest in pillows.
Doctor, this is such a comfortable position. Can I sleep like this?
My answer is actually no. I am not allowing you to sleep like that. So I will tell you. So this is our spine, okay, and you are sleeping prone. So here is your abdominal cavity. So first is you are obstructing your abdominal cavity. Throughout the night it will be obstructed. So the amount of circulation decreases to your abdominal cavity. So that's why you become over a period of time you become a patient of heartburn or anything. Okay, next, very bad position for your spine, because you cannot sleep like this. You have to turn your neck and sleep, and see, as soon as I turn, how the spine becomes
Twisted.
yes, see, that spine is completely twisted when you sleep in the prone position. So your spine is supposed to be neutral. Imagine if your spine is like this and I twist it completely and keep it like this for 8 hours, won't it be damaging for your, and forget about आप स्पाइन के बारे में छोड़ दीजिए कि हाँ स्पाइन तो ट्विस्ट हो ही रहा है, ऊपर से आपका फेस जो है पूरे वक्त दबा हुआ है, और काफ़ी फेस दबा हुआ है. सो व्हेन यू स्लीप प्रोन, देखिए, हाँ, सो ऑलमोस्ट योर हाफ फेस इज कम्प्लीटली गॉन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये शोल्डर पे आप वेट डाल रहे हैं तो शोल्डर के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, ठीक है. आपका स्पाइन पूरा ट्विस्टेड है, पूरा फ्रॉम हेयर यू कैन सी द स्पाइन गेटिंग ट्विस्टेड. सेकेंडली, बिकॉज फेस पे पूरा प्रेशर आ रहा है, इट्स वेरी बैड फॉर रिंकल्स. सो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट इट टू, आप इवन साइड पे भी सोते हैं ना, तो यू स्लीप ऑन योर ईयर, यू डोंट स्लीप ऑन योर फेस, यू डोंट स्लीप लाइक दिस, यू स्लीप ऑन ईयर, है ना. बट वेन यू स्लीप प्रोन, ऑटोमेटिकली यू स्लीप लाइक दिस. सो इट इज अगेन circulation is not proper, so you will get wrinkle. So if you don't want wrinkles in your life, you should not sleep in this position. दूसरा, स्पाइन के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. तीसरा, एब्डोमिनल कैविटी के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. चौथा, हार्ट पेशेंट्स के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. पांचवा, प्रेगनेंसी के लिए एब्सोल्युटली नो है. तो फिर हमें ऐसे क्यों सोना है? So we should completely avoid sleeping like this. But yes, I mean, if just not possible to sleep at all and you want to relax in this position for some time, then I would suggest 2 pillows down the abdominal cavity. So can you just, yes,
Like this.
now little more, yes, now, yes. So in this you can see that your spine becomes slightly straighter than what it was. Okay, so you should keep 2 pillows down the abdominal cavity, but I would suggest that this position is mostly completely no, because it's aging, it's degenerating, it's depressing, everything in between. So ये वाली position ना ही ले तो अच्छा है. तो prone lying is absolutely no. But rest of the position I have told you modification like how we have to do.
Thank you, Dr. Pooja. That was very informative, and I think I have realized what all mistakes I have been doing. I will rectify this. I'll try to live, sleep in a very healthy way, like whatever you have suggested. And I'm sure that that is really going to help me, because before also I have followed her instructions and done many exercises which has helped my disc slip. So I'm sure this is also going to help me a lot. And I recommend all my friends also to watch this video and try and correct your sleep positions.
Yes, because sleep position matters a lot. And thank you, Kalyani, for asking me such question, because if you would have not asked, I would have not thought of making a video. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि ये वीडियो बहुत लोगों के पास जाए, और अगर आप सही तरीके से नहीं सो रहे हैं तो आपको याद रखना है कि 7 से 8 घंटे आप सोते हैं, और उस पोजीशन में आपका पोस्चर सही होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो इसे फॉलो करिए. उल्टा मत सोइए, मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ, उल्टा मत सोइए. पेट के बल सोना ना है. तो हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स, and share this knowledge with your friends and family, and witness your fitness with us.